Sheriff's Office. Tonight on GBH2, a retired detective is back on the case, and an archaeologist and her friends are digging around town for murder suspects. Watch Ridley at 8 and the Marlowe Murder Club at 9. Tonight on GBH2.
I'm Katie Landrigan with your Boston Sunday Brunch and the Sunday Scramble. In celebration of daylight saving time ending and all of us getting that precious extra hour of sleep, today's Scramble is all about chronology, horology, the study of time, and clocks. And B&E's musical clock up first in today's Scramble from Kodai's Hariano Suite. Here's Kurt Mazur and the New York Phil.